Hey, it's Martin. So I've been asked this question quite a lot. Is robots taking our jobs? We actually put an article on the website recently addressing this. But of course, the robots are taking some jobs, but it's jobs that people are not doing currently, or our customers can't find people to actually do, because the biggest problem they have right now is the huge labor shortage. There's a massive gap between now the baby boomers retiring and the younger generation coming in and fulfilling these, what we can sort of call traditional blue collar jobs. There's simply not enough of them going in and taking those jobs. So as the labor pool is shrinking and people are still eating same amount of calories, if not more, the baking industry, the food manufacturing industry is required to, or has to use automation to get the same throughput, because they can't find the people to actually do those jobs. They also, as we are, progressing, lots of our customers are actually also looking for solutions that can make lives easier for the employees. So the people they do have, they want to make life easier for them, make the work environment better and safer. And therefore, they're looking for automation, and in our case, robotics, to get implemented. So yes, in some essence, robots are taking some jobs, but it's typically the jobs that actually no one wants to do, and definitely don't want to do for 8 hours, 12 hours shifts all day long, very repetitive tasks, which can lead to injuries. Those are the jobs that the robots are taking and will take in the future. So I hope that gave a little bit more of a clarity of it. We've been asked that a lot. It's typically people from outside the industry, the bakery owners, the people on the production floor. They see the robot, they're working with them, and they can see the benefit in having a robot stand beside them and do those jobs that has given them a lot of heartache and grief in the past. So stay tuned for more of these videos. Take care.